Let me see the perch. Patingin nga ako ng perch. Let me see that. Perch ba yan?
Yeah, yellow perch.
Ayan ba yun? Ayan ba yun?
Yeah.
Masarap yan.
It's not that big.
We'll try it.
Yeah, but this fish doesn't get big, TK.
Oh.
Extra large, man.
Oh, kaya mo tong isang maliit kasi kanina hindi ko siya
Okay, okay, you wanna release it? Ethan! Okay, make sure you release it in the water, not on the rocks, okay?
Okay, go. Release.
Okay, watch it.
Ano yan? Largemouth again? Smallmouth? Not good to eat. It's not good to eat.
Okay, it's Kuya's turn because you released the line.
It's small.
Be careful, I have fun.
Mali! Caleb! Caleb, look, look! Ah! It's very big. Oh my goodness! Wow! Ano yan? Ba't parang pala pa, Daddy? Wow, ang laki! Ang laki ng huli niya, oh! Ano yan, Daddy? Ano yan? Ba't parang iba? Wow! Ang laki! Ito yung biggest. Oo.
But the boat pin is
Dati pa ganun siya, oh.
That's
Baba.
why I think.
Ala, ang laki.
Yeah. Oh, rated.
Ano sabi?
Can be cooked and eaten.
Dali natin. Kaya lang lulutuin agad.
So eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it.
Babalik sa tubig, babalik.
Eat it.
Eh, gano'n yung size na pepede?
Malaki na yan, no?
O, sige.
Eat it. You put it in the flour. Yeah. Oh my god.
Can I put it in the cooler?
Hindi.
Hindi ang kasya dun.
O, ganun mo, para ano.
Feed him cereal.
Parang ang payat naman eh.
Hindi, ang ano niya.
Tama oh.
Ow. Dad, I want to feed him. We got 3 fish. 3
Oh,
fish.
ang laki. Oh, tinan mo nga, pinakamalaki ito nahuli natin. At nahuli
Daddy,
Huh? You sure?
cereal. Is that his belly button? Dad, I'm letting
Huh?
him eat cereal.
babalik mo.
Dad, he's hungry. He's hungry.
Yeah, parang kakaispon-ispon lang eh.
Let him
Tinan mo nga, ang
eat
payat
cereal.
oh, walang laman.
Let him eat the cereal.
Ha?
Oh,
Let him eat.
yeah, sige. Balik mo na lang.
Let him eat the leaf. Whoa.
Again!
And again. Here's another one. I wanna have a turn.
Bas yan?
Yeah.
Kung nakakain yan?
On his belly.
it?
Yeah. Feed it something. Feed it something.
Bass yan.
Yeah, largemouth.
We don't have